Most people get this wrong when trying to earn faster on rewarded play. They think the secret is spending more hours playing games. But here's the truth, no one tells you. The fastest progress usually comes from playing smarter, not simply playing longer. In this video, you'll learn practical strategies to maximize your rewarded play experience in 2026, avoid common mistakes, and make better use of the time you're already spending on the app. Let's get straight into it. The first step is choosing the right games. Many users install every available game without thinking about whether they'll actually enjoy playing it. That's a mistake. For example, Alex loves strategy games and regularly spends time completing objectives. Because he enjoys the gameplay, he stays active longer and makes more consistent progress. Jake downloads random games he doesn't enjoy and quits most of them within a day. Here's a quick win. Focus on games that genuinely interest you. Consistency is often more valuable than constantly switching between titles. But here's the problem. Many users jump from game to game, searching for a magic shortcut. As a result, they never spend enough time learning how the games work or making meaningful progress. This is where most people fail. They chase quantity instead of quality. Now here's where it gets interesting. Rewarded play frequently updates available games and opportunities. Checking the app regularly can help you discover new options that may fit your interests better than older games. Another important strategy is making sure games are installed through the platform whenever required. This helps ensure that activity is properly associated with your account and reduces the chances of tracking issues. Here's another quick win. Keep both the app and your device updated. Many users overlook this simple step, but updates can improve performance and help avoid technical issues that may interfere with tracking. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest habit that experienced users often follow. Set a simple routine. Instead of playing randomly, dedicate a consistent amount of time each day. John spends a short session every evening, checking new opportunities and continuing progress in games he already enjoys. This approach helps him stay organized and monitor his progress more effectively. But here's something important to remember. Be careful of videos that promise instant rewards, secret exploits, or guaranteed earnings. Sustainable progress usually comes from using the app as intended and focusing on consistent activity over time. Now here's the key takeaway. Earning faster isn't about finding hidden tricks. It's about choosing enjoyable games, staying consistent, checking for new opportunities, and avoiding common mistakes that waste your time. Let's recap. Pick games you actually enjoy. Stay focused on a few titles instead of many, keep your apps updated, monitor new opportunities, and maintain a consistent routine. These simple habits can improve your overall rewarded play experience. If this guide helped you, leave a comment with your favorite rewarded play game. Hit the like button and subscribe for more reward app tutorials, earning app tips, and tech guides.